Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to snooze suggested post from your feed on Instagram. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up your Instagram account and select your profile icon in the bottom right corner to open up your profile page. Then you want to select the hamburger icon in the top right. And then scroll down underneath where it says what you see. Select where it says content preferences. And then select where it says snooze suggested post and feed, hide suggested post and feed for 30 days. Click inside that oval one time and toggle it on. If you decide you want to re-enable it before 30 days is up, just come back in here and click inside of there until it's grayed out. And that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.